It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and I have zero footage for my vlog. So I decided that I have to do something. This one been an idea for a really long time. So for this we need a volunteer. Yes, that's what we really need. So what we're gonna do today is, you know, Bali is a place with so many different things to see. But for this one you need the transport, and the best option and the cheapest one for that is a motorbike. That girl is, I think she's trying to teach someone to drive a motorbike, so we're going to do the same. The first of the things is be humble. Don't expect you can just jump on a bike and just everything will happen. I think we are gonna end up somewhere in some fence. If you want to learn how to drive, you don't have to drive. First thing you do, you put it on a sand instead of driving. So when it's on a stand, the first thing what you have to learn how to handle the acceleration or gas. First turn the key, start the engine. So now Laura will do it.
I'm worried when I will just
So that,
burn too much.
yeah, don't worry. It's the same like when you're opening the tank to analyze the gas. Slowly and gently. Easy. It is easy. Just a little bit back information or history. Laura is living 11 years in Asia and she never drove a motorbike. Never ever. So this is the first time she will try it. It's absolutely exclusive footage.
A few moments later.
No, try it. So next is both feet on the ground and try out now, because the motorbike doesn't start feel immediately. It's automatic. So that means you add the gas and then only it starts moving. And you try like not constantly, but just step by step, like you're walking from one point to another. That's it. And now you start feeling it when it starts moving. Okay, try again. The most important is to, if you feel uncomfortable, drop the acceleration. Okay? Little by little. For Laura, it's really scary. Learn to drop. I just keep going. So it's an absolutely free way. So now just drive and give a gas. When the motorbike is moving, that's easier to keep the balance. On the turns, that's the hardest. Yeah, she's going. She's driving. Guys, this is not the fake. She's driving for the first time. She never been doing it before. And a kind of cool stuff. I'm super happy, believe me. She's driving for the first time.
Ah, my sister too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. As long as you drive the straight road, it always seems so easy. And everybody is gaining this confidence of good driver really fast. But then when the accident, that's the moment when the accident happens. Be careful, drive slowly, don't rush until you get to good experience. Slowly, slowly.
If you forgot, explain me which this one is which is that stop. This one is from that
From the back,
from the back, and
and this is
one,
the front.
And when I stop, I should press together.
Both.
Both. Okay.
Yeah. I was,
But I saw sometimes you just press only one.
it depends if I need to just a little bit slow down.
Yeah.
So then I use this one.
This one.
This one.
Yeah. That,
If
it's
I have to stop fast or I have to, there's accidentally I have to stop, then I have to use both,
Both.
because other way I can start
but
sliding.
This is more soft than this one. It's harder.
That's what you have. That's it.
Full.
How does it feel now?
Anyway, a little bit scary.
But it's getting better.
Yeah.
Can you bring me home now?
No,
Not yet.
not yet.
That was really professional. We going to the beach? Greetings from Ahmed. You cannot imagine how much effort it took for me to get Laura on a motorbike. And she was so angry to me because I was like kind of pushing and telling her, listen, I have nothing for today's vlog and it would be nice if you can just try driving a motorbike. And now look at her. She said, you know, I will go and buy some bananas. She's on a motorbike and going for bananas. Isn't it bananas? That's it. No comments. Thank you very much for watching us, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscriptions is really important for us. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.